Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Asana for project management. And Asana can be used for personal projects as well as professional projects. It will basically help you manage all your team if it is a professional project, and if it is your personal project and you are just working all alone, then it will help you get more productive and you will be able to manage things quite easily using Asana. So let's see how we can actually do it. So in order to manage projects on Asana, you need to get an account first. So for that, just search for Asana on your browser. And after that, just open up this link of Asana. Make sure that it is the original one. And after that, just open it up. And this is where it will lead you to. And what you have to do after that is just click on this option of get started, or just provide your email address over here and click on sign up. After that, you just need to fill up all the details that are being asked by the Asana, and you will be able to create your account on Asana quite easily. And also, while creating your account, it will ask you what kind of job role you are into, and also the kind of jobs you are into, your industry, and everything about it. So just provide it the way you are actually working on different projects. This way you will be provided with the templates which are quite necessary for the jobs that you are into. So you will be able to manage your projects quite easily. So after logging into your account, this is how it will look like. This is basically our home page. We can customize it as per our working. We can bring in different stuff on the home page itself as per our needs, and whatever the things that we need to see on the regular basis, so we will just bring them on the home page itself. And also you will be able to see some more options like completion of your profile and downloading the different apps. So this way it will be quite easy for you to access the Asana, whether on your desktop or your mobile apps. And you can also click on this option of browse integrations in order to integrate your Asana to different platforms. Like when you click on it, you will be provided this option where you can connect with Vimeo, Zoom meetings, or YouTube. So you will be able to share all the links related to third-party platforms on the Asana itself, and your team will be able to access these platforms from Asana. So make sure that you use this feature quite well. And also, if you want to invite teammates to your particular workspace, then you can just simply click on this option of invite your teammates, and you will be able to add them quite easily. So these are the tasks that we added to our project. We will be discussing about it in detail later on. And when you click on this option of my tasks, you will be able to see all the tasks that has been assigned to you particularly. So you will be able to see all the tasks in different workspaces over here. So you will be able to monitor them, track them, and complete them and progress on those particular tasks whenever you want to. And when you click on this option of inbox, it is basically the same as on other platforms. And on the reporting section, you will be able to see how your team is working, and you will be able to see the progress your team is making on different tasks that you have assigned to them. So this way you will be able to manage your project in a better way. And when you click on this option of portfolio, here you can see all the people who are working with you on a particular task and their priority and the task progress that they are making and on what project they are actually working. So everything about a particular team member will be shown over here. And when you click on the goals section, this is basically to set goals for you and for your team also. So what you have to do is just click on this option of add goal after just clicking on the goal section on the left hand side, and then you can just enter the name of a goal and provide the time period. And in the privacy section, when you click on it, you will be able to set it to public view or private view. When you set it to private view, only you will be able to see it and the members on a particular workspace. And if you make it public, then it will be visible for entire company. You can just enter the name of it and other details, and after that you can just simply add the members by using their name if they are already in your workspace, and their email address, so they will be notified about this particular goal. And then you just need to select some more options over here, and then you will be able to set the goal for your workspace or personal goals. And let's see what's in the workspace. So workspaces are basically the different projects. Suppose I'm taking example of YouTube channel in this video. So YouTube channel is our project, and we can add more projects over here. suppose we want to work on an Instagram management, so we will just click on this option of plus right beside my workspaces, and here we can use a template in order to create a workspace, or we can create a workspace from the scratch by clicking on this option of blank projects. We can also import spreadsheets, and you can also invite people to a particular workspace by clicking on invite people. So when we click on this particular workspace, this is how it will appear, and we just used a template of board while creating this particular workspace, so it is in board format. And if you are looking to see more details about the kind of projects we can make, then you can just go for the beginners friendly video of Asana on our channel itself. But in this video I'm just showing you around with the perspective of project management. So I'm just taking this example of YouTube channel and how we can manage this particular YouTube channel using Asana. So here in this section we can just add all the topics that need to be researched, and a particular team of researchers will be working on these topics when they are under this heading of topic research. So when we click on a particular topic like this topic of a video on crypto, just click on it and all the details related to this particular topic will appear over here. And here we can simply see who has assigned this particular task, and we can just simply click on this option of recently assigned and then set the urgency for this particular topic. Like if we want this topic to be covered today, then we can just select this option of do today, do next week, and accordingly. And also we can set the due date for it and all the other options as well. And here in the priority section we can just click on it. A list of 3 options will appear like high, medium, or low. We can just choose accordingly. And when we click on this option of what is this task about, we can add more details to this particular task. So the person who has been assigned this task will be able to work in that particular direction. So when we click on it, we can either type the message over here for the person who has been assigned this task, or we can just simply click on this option of record a video and record our video and give a video instruction to that particular person. We can also help them by clicking on this option of insert link, so they will be able to click on that link and it will be helpful for their research. We can mention them by clicking on this option of add, and if they want to communicate with you or ask you for a particular thing about this topic, then they can just simply comment over here and you will be able to communicate with them using these comments. And the video recording option is also there, so this makes it quite easy for us to communicate with our teammates. And in the option of collaborations, we can just simply click on add or remove collaborations in order to add or remove people to our particular topic. Suppose you know that someone is quite good with the crypto, so you will be able to collaborate with them by clicking on this option of plus and invite them to research on this particular topic, and they will be able to help you out. So after it all has been done, the researcher can just simply click on this option of scripting. So this card from topic research will move to scripting. So this way the person who has been assigned the task of scripting will know that these are the topics that need to be scripted. And there is one more way to do it, by just dragging and dropping it on the scripting part. So it is quite easy to use, and the person who is responsible for scripting just need to complete the scripting on it, and if they need any help they can always comment over here for your help, and they can just mention you, so you will get notified about it. And when scripting is complete, they can just simply move it to video recording, and this way this card will be moved till the publish section. So we know that this particular topic has been done and it is published on our YouTube channel. So this way whole team knows that what is the progress that they have been making over the period of time, and the persons who are responsible for a particular job are doing their job or not. Suppose your video recorder or someone who is responsible for video recordings is not working, then all the tasks will be collected over here, and this way you will be able to know that the person who is responsible for video recording is not working, and you will be able to just contact them and know the reasons. So this way you will be able to manage your whole project and exactly know who's working hard and who is being more productive in this particular project, and you will be able to manage each and every person quite easily. So this is how you manage projects using Asana. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. We will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.